Yo, what up guys, and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to limit buy or limit sell any cryptocurrency in your Bybit account. So with that being said, go ahead and open the bybit.com and sign in with your account, and then come here, open spot account. And for example, we are going to trade in the Dogecoin, so we click on Doge. Where is it? Yeah, here. Click on trade Dogecoin. And now, as you can see, let's click on here, conditional. Yep, here, click on conditional. And for example, we put how much USDT you are willing to pay with. So for example, we're willing to pay with 300 USDT, and here you can put the limit. For example, 140, 130, like that. And as you can see, here limit, and here it will show you how much Dogecoin it will be at this moment. So because I have 0 USDT in this account, it will not show me, but after you do this, you will show you how much your Dogecoin will receive. And after that, you will click on buy, and you will receive an order right here, which you can cancel later on. And now let's go ahead and show you how to sell. And as I said before, you do the same method. You put the amount of Dogecoin that you are willing to sell. For example, here we put, for example, 600, and here the limit sell. For example, we put if it's let's say about 40, and like that, put the amount you will receive here, the amount of USDT. It's a glitch, guys, so that's why it doesn't show you, but it will show you here. Here you put the amount of Dogecoin, and here what amount of USDT will receive. And after that, you will click on sell, and here you will receive the order in this box right here. You can cancel it at any time you want. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Have a great day, and bye bye.